This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure iOS is current so wallpaper controls behave predictably. Once done, locate the image in Photos or Files. You want the framing ready so icons aren't obscured. Now open Settings and go to Wallpaper. This is where iOS lets you set distinct lock and home images. Tap Choose a new wallpaper or Add new wallpaper and select Photos. This launches the editor so you can position, zoom, or pick still versus dynamic before continuing to layout steps. Now you'll fine-tune how the image sits behind your icons. Use pinch to zoom and drag to frame the subject away from app clusters. Enable perspective zoom if you want parallax movement, or disable it to keep a stable background. Make sure important details aren't under widgets or the dock by previewing with the home screen overlay. Pick still for clarity, dynamic for subtle motion, or live if you prefer press to animate on the lock screen. When satisfied, tap Set and move to the final assignment step. You finish by assigning the image. Choose Set Home Screen if you only want it behind apps, or select Set Both to use it everywhere. Make sure orientation lock is off if using wallpaper that adapts to rotation. If it looks cropped, toggle orientation and reapply. If icons or widgets obscure key parts, move apps or use empty spaces and transparent widgets to reveal the subject. If the image still misbehaves, return to Photos. Crop to native screen resolution, then repeat the process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.